Hey, Chloe here from the Yoga Revolution, and I just want to talk to you about crow pose, Bakasana, and how we get into the pose, right? It can be a little daunting when we're new, so I just want to break it down a bit. So, crow pose. I'll just demo it before we go in. So, knees on the upper arms, shift forward, feet can lift, breathe, always. So, what I see a lot of in this pose is mostly because we're fearful of the pose, right? Because we're gonna just drop the head down, that's gonna hurt. So always use a pillow if you're feeling like that. Use a pillow, don't be afraid of it, get out of the fear, let's sit up to be kids a bit more. But that being said, what often happens is the hips get so low that no matter how far forward we can drop the head, the hips don't lift. So we got to lift the hips to a certain extent. Have faith that you can keep up. So keep the hips lifted a bit more rather than staying really heavy. Second thing is, and this will be really important if you arm balance a lot or use your hands on the floor to bear weight a lot. In Blissology, we have this palm arch that we talk about. So rather than dumping into the heel of the hand, we spread the load out into the fingertips and we lift through the arches slightly. It's like gecko hands, or like we're palming a basketball, right? There's a gathering in to lift up. So see if you can find that in the hands, and that gathering in and lifting up. Man, it's so important. I just showed it there, like getting low and spreading down and out makes the pose really tricky. It's really hard, actually it kind of hurts. But instead, can we imagine that we're gathering in, right? So there's a pressure in toward each elbow. Elbows move toward each other, and the knees move toward each other. So instead of down, so instead of down and out, we go in and up. Yeah, down and out, in and up. That's fun to do. So remember, use the palms, grip the mat with your fingertips, keep the hips low, and then just play with it. Just play with it. Cushions are always a good choice. Enjoy your crow. Later.